Some hotels are really scary. Like this one I'm staying right now is at the Sheraton Suites. The corridor is so cold. There's no aircon. They don't turn on the aircon. There's no air conditioning unit. There's no heater. And the weather is not supposed to be that cold. But I do not know why it's so cold. I was walking along the hallway and I was literally freezing. It was like really creepy. I'm here in this room here. Oh, it's so chill. I went up to the 7th floor because I thought I heard some thumping a while back ago. And just wanted to investigate for myself what was the noise about. And then the hallway, it was a long hallway to the lift. It was really, really scary. And on the 7th floor, there's altogether the 9th floor. The fitness and the pool is on the 9th floor. But the hallway, it's a long hallway and it's so fucking chill. See? I can hear the thump, thump, thump. I don't know who the fuck is making the noise. Some motherfuckers, look at that. Look at this. It's like the movie, The Dolphin Hotel. And it's so quiet, but it's so noisy on the other side there. It's a long, hot walkway. I can hear the occasional thump. As you can see, there's no air conditioning unit, but it's so fucking cold right now. It's so spooky. I mean, there's two different temperatures. Here is like 28 degrees Celsius and outside is like 7 degrees Celsius. And I can hear the occasional thump, thump, thump. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's so patronizing. Oh, God. Anyway, that's Eric reporting to you from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. See ya.